Shahrukh Khan.
Certified lover boy.
Have you ever dated a Bollywood celebrity?
No, I've
No,
not.
okay,
But
Love you. Love you.
Your partner asks for social media passwords.
what's the definition of ghosting?
Like they don't reply to
I
you
know,
anymore.
but I don't reply essentially.
You ghost.
नहीं नहीं आप मुझे फोन करो ना क्या होता है ना मेरे साथ में
Red flag. यार जुनैद नहीं. Your current relationship status.
Oh, it's warm.
क्या आप सच्चे प्यार की खोज में हैं? ओके आई नो इट्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्योंकि सिचुएशनशिप बेंचिंग घोस्टिंग इसके ज़माने में अगर कुछ होगा तो वो लवयाप्पा ही होगा। जी हाँ, और मेरे साथ इस वक्त है गुची एंड बानी जो बताएंगे हमें ये लवयाप्पा का सियाप्पा क्या हो रहा है। हाउ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इज दिस लवयाप्पा खुशी एंड जुनैद? फर्स्टली वेलकमिंग यू टू फिल्मीग्यान।
Thank you so much. Thank you.
How complicated is this लवयाप्पा?
No, I don't think it's complicated.
I think it's all fun.
Yeah, I don't think it's complicated at all. I think love is love. It's always been the same. और I mean आज के social media इंटरनेट के साथ भाषा बदली है, जरिया बदला है. I think the internet amplifies everything. But complicated तो मुझे
I think everything sorts itself out eventually.
है ना, वो तुम फिल्म देखने के बाद पता ही चलेगा. बट आर यू लाइक अवेयर विद दिस ऑल जेनजी टर्म्स? आप लोग के ओल्ड स्कूल लवर्स हो या जेनजी हो?
खुशी मुझे बहुत सिखा रही है एक्चुअली आजकल.
ओह,
हर दिन मैं मतलब इसका टेस्ट ले रही हूँ.
हाँ मेरी ट्यूशन होती है.
तो आप ओल्ड स्कूल लवर हो और आप हो जेनजी.
मतलब मैं हूँ Gen Z, but I think I'm quite old school.
अच्छा, तो जेनजी स्लैंग्स यू आर अवेयर अबाउट
मुझसे
इट?
सिखाया मुझे बहुत.
कौन से आते हैं अभी?
बहुत आते हैं. क्या स्टैन आपने मुझे स्टैन
Stan.
सिखाया.
स्टैंड का मतलब?
अगर
Like a
आप
fan.
फैन को स्टैन कर दिया. मैं समझा नहीं क्यों बट
मैं भी
हुआ
नहीं
है.
जानती.
नहीं 2-3 है. नो कैप.
Simp. No
Simp.
cap, not cap.
No
There's
cap.
one cap.
बट सिंस आप दोनों ओल्ड स्कूल
Same.
लवर्स हो दिल से, हाउ डिड यू मैच अप टू द लेवल ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर्स? कैसे रिलेटेबल लगे आपको?
नहीं आई थिंक मुझे कहानी बहुत पसंद आई और आई थिंक अद्वैत काफ़ी जेंजी हैं. उनकी रियल एज का मुझे पता नहीं बट
उनकी spirit.
है तो बहुत ही जेंजी हैं. तो वहाँ से बहुत हेल्प मिली.
काफी क्यूट कपल लग रहे हैं.
नहीं और आई थिंक दैट्स द फन ऑफ एक्टिंग. हम
Yeah.
लोग दूसरे की जिंदगी जीने का मौका मिलता है.
बिल्कुल. बूजी बूजी बाबू सोना ये सारे टर्म्स यूज करते हो रियल लाइफ में?
बाबू सोना तो कभी नहीं.
क्रिंज.
No, sweet for
बाबू
each
कभी
person
नहीं
to
use
their
किया?
own. बाबू यूज नहीं किया है.
अच्छा
आपने क्या किया?
हमने किया है कभी
बाबू
कभी.
यूज किया है.
हाँ.
ओके. अब रोमांटिक हो मतलब. चलो. विल मूव ऑन टू आवर सेगमेंट्स नाउ. द फर्स्ट सेगमेंट इज व्हाट द कमेंट्स. 2 कमेंट्स आए हैं आपके लिए. यू हैव टू रिएक्ट इन वर्ड्स एंड यू कैन एक्सप्रेस एंड
हाँ?
through your expressions. React through words and express through your
Okay.
expressions.
हाँ.
Okay. So the first comment is इनका LOV के डांस स्टेप देखकर नाचने का मन कर रहा है.
अच्छा सच्ची.
So we'll do a shock.
Yeah.
हाँ वो शौकी था ना. नहीं
हाँ, you are like all over the internet like Loveyappa yappa. Yeah, it's cute. Okay, चलो अच्छा है, लोगों को नाचने का मन कर रहा है. The second comment is नेपो किड्स का अच्छा है. इनके लिए क्या challenges इनको फिल्म में easily मिल जाती है?
I'm not. Is this a game? Are we
No, it's a
answering
comment.
questions?
It's a comment.
Oh, okay.
You have to respond to
Oh,
comments.
okay,
बात तो सही है
sorry.
थोड़ी.
You
I
agree
agree.
to that?
हाँ.
Yeah.
But यहाँ पर लिखा है इनके लिए क्या challenges होता है? Are there any challenges?
I think everybody works hard everywhere.
See, I think in the position we're in, we have more eyes on us, and therefore there are more opinions about us. And obviously, not all of them are going to be positive. There's going to be hate no matter what you do. So I think हमें बस काम करना है. We want to do our best, and that's what we're trying to do. So I think it's important to block out the unnecessary noise, take on the constructive criticism, and keep working.
Absolutely. Okay, हमारा next game है green flag and red flag, जिसके
Okay.
लिए आपको ये green flag, red flag पकड़ना है और मैं कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी, आपको बताना है according to you if it's a green flag or red flag. Okay. Your partner asks for social media passwords.
it's weird to ask someone
But
for
I don't
advice.
have. तो थोड़ा
No, like
does not apply.
hypothetically, in a situation, it would.
Yeah, it's a bit odd, I guess.
Okay. Your partner believes in keeping it private until it's permanent.
It's fine.
ये छुपा के
मतलब
रखना
how
है
private?
relationship. किसी को बताना नहीं है.
Oh, I
नहीं,
thought you
नहीं.
meant like posting is. You don't need to post about your relationship. I think that's fine.
हाँ, but I don't
But
like
मतलब-
keep things
Like
private.
you have to launch it slowly.
हाँ,
Slow
मतलब
launch.
But you can't lie to people
Yeah,
and
yeah.
say you're single when you're
हाँ.
not. That
Exactly.
is a red
हाँ.
flag.
Okay.
मतलब मैं I'll not talk about relationships like in interviews, but
हाँ.
हाँ.
Like keep it private. Okay. Until you get married or
नहीं,
get
नहीं.
engaged.
I think at least
You need to acknowledge
Yeah,
you're
you have
with
to
someone.
acknowledge,
Of
yeah.
course. Okay. Your partner keeps checking your phone.
I think it's a bit odd.
It's odd.
Yeah.
Red flag. Okay. They ghost you after your first date.
But maybe they'd had a bad first date.
And what's the definition of ghosting?
Like, they don't reply to
I
you
know,
anymore.
but I don't reply essentially.
So you ghost.
नहीं नहीं मतलब आप मुझे
Technically-
फोन करो ना क्या होता है ना मेरे साथ मैं
Red flag. यार जुनेद नहीं.
नहीं मैं genuinely में ना मैं दोस्तों के साथ भी और फैमिली के साथ भी मैं रिप्लाई मैसेज के रिप्लाई कभी लेट आते थे 1-2 हफ्ते लेट
नहीं, पर ghosting means आते ही नहीं है.
Disappear हो जाना completely.
मैंने एक बार I got a message from somebody after a show. I thought I replied to them, completely forgot. And I met them about 4-5 months later. So then I replied in person. Is that acceptable?
But ghosting after a first date is like you have a good first date and you say, oh yeah, let's do this again, and then you just stop.
Yeah, that's a bit odd.
Yeah. Okay. red flag. Okay. Your partner says अभी शादी नहीं करनी career पे focus करना है.
वो
Fair
ठीक है.
enough.
हाँ,
Green
सबका
flag.
अपना.
Okay. Your partner is committed to you yet has an account on dating app.
Then he's not committed.
Yeah.
Okay, again, I'm going to
I
take your
mean,
lead
it's
on
all
it.
hypothetical
हाँ.
anyway, right?
No, I'm
But
going to take your lead
if
on
you're
what
with
are the
the
social
person-
connotations.
No, it's quite natural. If you're with
Okay,
someone,
so-
you're not
yeah.
going to be on an app to
Yeah.
date other people.
Yeah,
na?
yeah,
And
yeah,
the-
that makes
Yeah.
sense. हाँ.
And the last one is they act busy and don't respond to your text or calls.
Maybe, what if they are busy?
हाँ.
कितने दिन मतलब?
कितने
10 दिन,
दिन?
15 दिन,
वो आप
20
मुझे
दिन?
बताओ।
नहीं, एक दिन बहुत है.
है ना?
हाँ.
तो ऐसे लड़कों को डिच करना चाहिए फिर अगर रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते.
Multiple days थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो
रेड
गया.
फ्लैग.
हाँ. मुझे 1-2 दिन लगा है कभी लाइफ में रिस्पॉन्ड करने के लिए. अब मुझे फोन करो.
जुनेद
एक दिन से ज़्यादा लगा है.
हाँ लगा है
Oh God.
रिस्पॉन्ड करने.
ऐसे
Oh, no.
do we judge? But ठीक है ना, no,
कभी-कभी
it's
लगा है
genuine
मुझे,
also.
हाँ.
Okay, the next game is say it or sip it.
Okay.
So either you get a choice to say it or you have to sip black coffee.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay, say it or sip it. Your current relationship status.
Oh, it's warm.
Okay.
नहीं ये कॉफी है मैं ये पीने वाला हूँ मुझे एक्चुअली
Okay. What is that one thing you do not tolerate about your father Amir Khan and your sister Janvi?
One thing I can't tolerate.
ये बहुत इजी गेम है मेरे लिए.
बता दो.
अरे पर आपने मुझे कॉफी दिया. I'd rather drink the coffee.
I tolerate everything. She's my sister. That's my job to tolerate everything now.
Even I have a sister, I understand.
Yeah. Even if bad things you learn to tolerate.
You know, but you can't even live without your sister.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Read out the last text you sent from your phone.
I can, but I would rather sip.
That's unfair. You have to be a sport.
अरे but आपने मुझे कॉफी पिला दी. No,
बता दो.
I
How's that
don't
one thing you
mind.
tolerate? Because
I don't mind.
I sent a picture of my face to my best friend.
Last text that I sent, ना?
Yeah.
नहीं मैंने स्क्रीनिंग का इनवाइट भेजा
oh, nice.
शालिनी को एड्रेस.
Okay,
के साथ.
cool. Have you ever dated a Bollywood celebrity?
No. No, I have
No,
not.
okay, he's
But
sipping. Okay, you don't want to say.
नहीं, but मुझे कॉफी पीनी है.
Okay, call someone and say I love you.
I should call someone.
Yeah,
else.
and say I love you.
Should I call Muskan?
She give me coffee.
She's at the airport right now because
But you can
she's
call someone and say
with
I love
me.
you. Your father.
He
maybe.
doesn't call people.
No, I call
Hi,
people.
Muskan.
Speaker.
Are you in an interview I'm in an interview right now. Wait, I'm putting you on speaker. I just have to say I love you, and that's the game.
Were you forced to say this?
No, I really wanted to call you and tell you that I loved you because I
That's
really
so
love
cute.
you.
Oh,
Love
I
you.
love you too.
Love you.
Love you. Love you. Bye.
क्या बात है, so sweet. Okay, he has the finished coffee, so I am also ending this game because Junaid is not opening up. But
नहीं आपने कॉफी पिला दी कॉफी it's a better
but then if you had to tell one thing about your dad, Amir Khan, like one thing that you tolerate or one thing that you have learned from him.
no I've learned so much from him.
Yeah.
He always encourages us to follow our heart and make our own path. And I think that's the best kind of support you can get. And
क्या
he's always
बात है,
there whenever you need him.
क्या बात है. And lastly,
You're drinking mine also.
yeah, he
Oh.
finished your coffee also, so I left the game there only. Okay, this is the last one, the hashtag show. I'm going to mention few names और आपको फटाफट hashtags देने हैं. Amir Khan.
Hashtag OG.
What is OG?
OG is original, like the original person.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Hashtag OG.
Okay, are you going to just copy paste?
अरे मैं hashtag समझता नहीं हूँ उसका क्या मतलब.
It's just a word.
I know,
Don't
I
think
know.
about the
I
hashtag.
know,
Just think
Just
about the
word,
word.
Okay,
whatever
हाँ,
word
हाँ,
comes to
हाँ.
your mind. Okay, Shah Rukh Khan.
Hashtag awesome.
Hashtag
Awesome.
certified lover boy.
Oof.
You-
Salman Khan.
Hashtag
Hashtag bhai.
hashtag bhai. Hashtag bhai.
All three Khans were present at your screening. Oh my god, that's huge, and we would want to see them together in one film. Do you also wish the same?
Of
course.
course.
Oh, it was like wow. और कौन से जॉनर की मूवी इन तीनों ने करनी चाहिए?
वो decide
जो
करेंगे.
भी उनको करना.
I'll be happy either way.
Okay. Janvi Kapoor.
Hashtag fashionista.
Yeah. Hashtag fashionista.
Okay. Sridevi ji.
Hashtag.
That should be hashtag OG.
Hashtag OG.
Yeah.
Okay. Suhana Khan. Pookie.
Hashtag
Pookie.
Pookie. We'll call her hashtag Pookie.
Okay, and the last one is Sharvari. Junaid also wants to give
She
the
can
best
also be
hashtag.
hashtag Pookie, I think. Then.
Yeah.
Pookie आपने
What
मुझे
is
समझाया था.
Pookie exactly? But can I know first before I say?
आपने अभी
Very
तो समझाया.
Cute
Like a
person.
cookie,
Cute
but
person.
like हाँ आपने अभी तो पिछले इंटरव्यू में
No, that wasn't the meaning. That was just the word.
Oh.
I actually don't know what Pookie means.
Oh,
What
okay.
it means like sweet, cute
Cute,
person,
like
right?
a
Person,
cookie.
yeah.
Huh.
Huh, so she's also hashtag Pookie.
Yeah, I think so. I'll go with that.
क्या बात है. And we are super excited for Loveyappa. Wishing you all the very best. Lastly, anything you have to tell your fans जो इंटरनेट पर आप इतने वायरल हो, सब आपको पसंद कर रहे हैं.
नहीं प्लीज आके हमारी फिल्म देखिए लवयापा 7 फरवरी से in a theater near you.
Okay, I have something for you too. Before I end this interview, I hope and wish and pray कि आपके साथ अगर कोई है तो वो ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट जैसे हो, और अगर नहीं है तो आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे ही ग्रीन प्लांट्स की तरह ग्रीन
Thank
फॉरेस्ट
you.
ही आए और आपकी लाइफ में
Thank you.
बहुत सारा प्यार हो.
Thank
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.